Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace this pad on a Porter Cable cordless sander. The model on this unit is PCCW205. So sometimes this pad gets chipped, has chunks out of it, it's removable and replaceable. So if you look at it, there's 4 Torx screws and you're going to use a T20 bit and you're just going to loosen them, hold one thumb onto the pad, then once you have all those 4 screws out, this just lifts off. And then you take your new pad, I'm just going to show you with this old one, and put it back on. And while you have it off, this little band here, this belt, you can also access it while it's off if it's damaged. So we're just going to put it back on. Tighten your screws on until they're nice and snug. And that's all there is to it, folks. It's all good now. Put your sandpaper on, plug in your battery, and you're good to start sanding again. Hopefully you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.